In this video, let's explore how the pencil tool works in Affinity. So to explore the pencil tool, first, let's navigate to the toolbar on the left and select the pencil tool. After we select the pencil tool, we can notice that the contextual property bar at the top changes with different settings. The first setting that we have is the width stroke or the stroke width, which determines how much width of the stroke that we want when creating a line or drawing a stroke with pencil tool. We can also access the whole set of settings for the width by clicking here. The next settings is the curve fitting smoothness. We can adjust the curve fitting smoothness values if we want to make a perfect curves with pencil tool. Let's set the curve fitting smoothness to 100. And if I draw a tilde sign with this, you can see the curves are automatically adjusted. Let me remove it. And if I decrease all the way to 0, then now the curves will be just as how I drew it. So let me delete this and let me adjust the value of the curve fitting to 100. The next is the stabilizer option. It is turned off right now, but if I turn the stabilizer on, what it will do is it will help me by providing me a pink line at the front. As you can see, there's a pink line, and this will help me or guide me to draw a perfect lines whenever I draw a free line with pencil tool. Let's go to the settings right here and let's click on auto close to near. So what auto close to near option does is whenever I create a closed shape, it will help to perfectly close the shape as soon as I come near the area of the beginning point, like so. So the next thing that we can do is we can also adjust the lines and make it more curvy or make it more natural by smoothing out the lines. And to smooth out the lines, we can access the sculpt mode right here and turn on the sculpt mode. Select the lines that we have created, or let's draw a new line. Select the pencil tool and let's draw a new line. Right now you can see that our line is perfectly curved. However, if we are not satisfied with the line that we have drawn, by clicking or by activating the sculpt mode, we can reshape those lines again. For example, let's say I'm not satisfied with the line right here. You can see the line that is shown as soon as we hover the pencil tool over the line. And if I draw from that line a perfect circle like so, and then connect it with the other line, you can see now it has adjusted the line like so. But this is not what we want. So let me undo it by holding down Command and Z. And again, let me put the pencil tool on top of the line where we want to adjust it. And then again draw the shape like so. And then join it here. Now you can see that we are redrawing those lines that we are not satisfied with. So this is what this sculpt mode allows us to do. It allows us to re-sculpt the line that we are not satisfied with. So let me access the node tool here and show you the next thing. In the node tool, in order to make lines smooth or fix the line to make the line much more smoother and curvier, we can also use this smooth curve settings right here. And we can access the smooth curves settings by activating the node tool, which is the tool right here. So we can click on smooth curves multiple times, and Affinity will automatically adjust those points and try to make those points much more smoother. So this is all about pencil tool in Affinity. I hope this video is helpful to you and informative to you. And if you like the video and find the video helpful, please press the like button. And to get more information or tips and tricks about Affinity in the future, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.